Hey, bro, my Dogecoin's tanking right now. What's going on, man?
I told you, Bobby Cheeto Fingers, the bubble is coming and the bubble might be here. Guys, this is Taurus cryptocurrency news. That was Bobby Cheeto Fingers there with a little soundbite. He's angry because Doge is tanking. Everything's tanking right now, but especially Dogecoin and Fartcoin and all the other garbage out there. But let's get into it. This is part 2 of the segment of the previous segment that I was discussing. And this is going to be what my strategy is over the next 7 days. Okay. I'm not saying it should be your strategy because I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But I'm going to talk a little bit about what I'm doing and what I did. Okay. And what I did is I took all of my crypto out of the exchanges and I'm holding it in my wallet. And why did I do that? Because I do not like what the market's doing right now. And I think we're going to go lower. All right. And I just think it's inevitable with this news coming out of China, with all the fear and loathing in Bit Vegas that's going on right now. For me, it's the only move I can make. And with the contracts expiring on the 25th, not only your monthly but your quarterly, it could potentially see a devastating drop. So what am I going to do? I'm taking my money out of the exchanges, and I'm going to wait and hold, and I'm going to watch it. And if it drops, I'm going to see how far it drops. And then when we hit that bottom, I'm going to get back in. All right, I didn't cash out. I didn't, move my money over to the bank account. It's just out of the market right now because I don't know what it's going to do. And I don't think anybody does. No analyst out there, no YouTuber, no influencer knows what it's going to do right now. But my best strategy for myself is I don't want to lose any money. And I know the old adage, you don't lose until you sell. Well, I did sell, okay, and I did lose a little bit of money, but I'm holding it in my wallet so I can see what this thing does and jump back in. All right, because if I can, get out of Cardano at $1.27 and say it drops down to $1, all right, and then I buy back into it. All right, well, hey, I'm making money there. I mean, in markets like this, sometimes you don't have an option other than that to do that. And I don't recommend trading at all for new investors because you will lose your money. This is something I'm trying out. I'm rolling the dice here. All right, but I've got to do something because I am tired of seeing, the money keep ticking down and down and down. I was real amped up on AMP. I still think AMP is going to be a good asset. But like when Daddy Bitcoin gets a little angry, all right, and he comes home and he drinks a fifth of Jack Daniels and whacks the kids around, all the other kids are going to go into hiding, and that's what your altcoins are doing, okay? All right, and that's what happens. And that wasn't a joke against domestic violence at all. I don't, it is what it is, okay? Bitcoin's angry, and he's taking out on somebody. And that somebody is going to be your altcoins. So I pulled everything out. I am out of the market 100% right now, and I'm holding for the next week. And if it starts going up or it starts going down, I'm getting back in within the next week and a half. I just want to see what it does first. All right? And I really want to pay attention to what we're going to be doing on January 25th of 2021, okay? Because that's when the contracts expire. And I talked about that, and if you're a listener, I threw out those dates, okay? Now, I didn't expect this giant FUD ball from China to come wailing down on us, okay? But it did, and it's here. And we have to deal with it, and we have to find a way to persevere through it. So, it is what it is, guys. I know if you're in crypto, you're disappointed right now. And, diamond hands, bro, isn't always going to pay out for you, especially if you're involved in some of these crappy coins out there. Fartcoin! Stop, Bobby. Stop with the Fartcoin, all right? I'm trying to have a serious conversation here. All right, but that's my strategy. That's what I'm doing is I'm pulling out. I'm out. And I'm holding for a week, all right? And I'm going to wait till the 25th. I'm going to be watching it closer than, kids by a pool. Okay, I don't mean that in a creepy way. I mean strictly from a safety standpoint. That probably sounded a little weird, but you know what I mean. All right, when a kid's in the pool, like a lifeguard, you're watching them. like a hawk to make sure something bad doesn't happen to him, okay? That's what I'm doing with my crypto, is I'm watching it like a hawk. I am lifeguarding my crypto, all right? It's got its floaties on right now, but it doesn't know how to swim. And I want to see what it does. All right, so it's out. Everything's out. I've got it sitting in USD coin right now, and I'm waiting for to get back into the market after the 25th. And whether it starts taking off and, hey, I just lost some money, or it tanks some more and I buy in, Ethereum at, who knows at this point, $900, Cardano at $1, Bitcoin at 26,000, and then it goes up from there, then hey, I made some money. Okay, but not financial advice. That's just what I'm doing. That's my personal opinion, and that is my strategy. I'm Joe Nobody. Okay, I can't tell you what to do, but that's what I'm doing. All right, I'm not saying follow the leader by any means, but in markets like these, you have to start developing your own strategy and do some research, and that's what I'm doing. All right. I can't think of any other way to go about this market. I'm usually a big advocate for holding, and if you zoom out, okay, and you zoom out to the big picture, all right, holding, you're always going to be in the right. But we're kind of in this crossroads right now where you have institutional investors coming in, you have mainstream media picking up on cryptocurrencies and altcoins and Bitcoin. And you have it's like on the tip of everybody's tongues right now. And we're kind of at an unprecedented time in the market. We haven't had the planets align like this in cryptocurrency yet. Okay, you're talking about federal regulation. You got all this crap. All right, which in the past it's been like, okay, Bitcoin goes up, it corrects itself, and then it goes back up, and then it corrects itself. I don't know if it's going to correct itself after this one. All right, so I'm going to hold on loosely, but I'm not letting go. All right, and that's what I'm going to do. Other than that, I can't advise anybody on what to do. You can always hold out and try to weather the storm. All right, and this might be a bad move. I mean, I might pull all my money out, and come June 25th, everything might shoot up again, and I might lose a couple grand. But I figure it's worth a gamble. And what is cryptocurrency? It is a gamble right now. All right, guys, it's nothing more than a gamble. And I'm just trying to hedge my losses a little bit in order to, try to get back in the green. And with everything going on the last couple of weeks, I just don't trust this market at all right now, especially over the last couple of days. I know there's other YouTubers out there, saying that anybody that's bearish, okay, is just being selfish and, trying to spread negativity. That's not true at all, guys, all right? Here at Taurus Cryptocurrency News, we're all no bullshit. I'm never going to, shill somebody something or bad advice just because I want them to do what I want to do. It's not going to happen, all right? I'm here for the blue-collar investor, the people that work hard for their money, all right? I don't want the Wolf of Wall Street listening to this. I want Joe the plumber or Bobby the baker or Denise the nurse, all right, listening to this kind of stuff. Because I'm going to try to, inform you a little bit on what we're going to do here. But right now, I don't know what to do. And that's the analytical conclusion that I have is this market is just... it's not looking good. And for everybody arguing or trying to hope that we're not in a bear market, I'm going to tell you right now, the bullhorns, they're sliding off. And I'm pulling out the furry suit from underneath the bed. I've got a bear furry, and I'm putting it on. You heard it here. I'm putting the bear furry on right now because I think we are going to be in a bear market for a little bit. I don't think it's going to last a long time or years or anything like that. But I think we're going to be in a bear market for maybe the next month or so here. I don't think you're going to be seeing things trading sideways. I think you're going to see things go down until we hit a new support level, and I don't know what that support level is. All right, is it potentially a 20K Bitcoin? I don't know. $1 Cardano? I don't know. Is it maybe a $900 Ethereum? Your guess is as good as mine. All right, but it's very important that you do your own research and find out an investing strategy for yourself. And then if you listen to podcasts like this, maybe I can guide you a little bit along the way. But in conclusion, that's what I'm doing. I'm out, I've pulled it out, and I'm holding, and I'm watching, and I'm waiting. All right, I'm holding on loosely, but I'm not letting go. Okay? I'm a huge fan of crypto. I do think it is the future of finance, but right now there's just a lot of weird stuff going on in the news, a lot of weird stuff going on in the markets, and June 25th, mark my words, is going to be a very, very important date to watch. So that's what I'm watching for. Probably the 26th, 27th, maybe early July is when I'm going to look at putting my money back in. So that's all I got for today, folks. As always, be kind to each other out there. Be nice to each other. A lot of people's mental health right now is not so good, okay? And if you need help, reach out to somebody, all right? Reach out to somebody, ask a friend, ask a family member, all right? Be kind to each other. We can get through this entire world if everyone would just smile at each other a little bit more, have a couple more laughs, don't take everything so seriously, open a door for an old lady, you know, tip your waitress good, tip your Grubhub driver good, all that good stuff that we just should be doing as human beings in general. All right, and that stuff makes you feel good, okay? And then it's this nice, it's the circle of life, all right? Then you got Simba. All of a sudden, he starts come prancing around your lawn because you've completed the circle of life, the circle of happiness. So involve yourself into somebody else's happiness, and you will be happy too. Friends, family, and freedom. The 3 F's. You heard it here first, folks. I'm Joe Nobody. I'm out. This has been Taurus Cryptocurrency News. Pay attention to the markets out there. Do your own research, and have a great day.